We've been getting a good bit of rain here in Oklahoma the last couple of weeks, and whenever we get a lot of rain, the spiders and the ants try to come in the house. So I got out my trusty jug of Ortho Home Defense. The sprayer wasn't working. It was making a noise, but the spray wasn't coming out. Here's the easy fix. This cap up here, you're gonna unscrew it. You won't need any tools for this. I have really good grip strength because when I was a teenager, I had a Cheryl Tiegs poster in my bedroom. What you'll do is unscrew it, hold the hose end up in the air, sprayer end down low, and if you hear it making that sound, your pump and your batteries are working fine. If it's not making that sound, you may need to replace the batteries. Just hold it up, press the sprayer for about 10 seconds. And there we go. If you like the video, thanks for checking it out. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment. I'd really appreciate it.